nitro covers, guys, and next giveaway is going to be at probably 1,500 subscribers, it's looking like. And as of right now, we got Pyro Nitro to give away to y'all, a bunch of goodies, roof skids, covers, fan covers, and guys, new one today. I'm pleased to announce that whoever the winner is next time will also get a code to go to arrma skins, and they will be able to purchase a skin of their choice, and it will be sent directly to you, free shipping, free of everything. So, and I'm hoping to talk to Basher Queen again, and I'll probably provide a lipo again. But look at this, guys. We're gonna call this baby the Black Widow or something. Just look at her. Look how beautiful this thing is. Rolling around the back here, because it might not be this beautiful. To be honest with you guys, this thing's huge. It might not be coming off on the screen how big this thing is. I know it's only on the Max 5 right now at the 800 kV on 8S, but even the straps in this thing, guys, I've never even seen Velcro straps like these, but they're phenomenal. The way they hold is unreal. Like, I mean, Arthur not killed it with this one, but I'm gonna quit yapping, and we're gonna put this thing together and take some hits on this ramp and see if she holds up, see how the ramp holds up. All right, y'all, here he is. His first run, really. I'm nervous as shit about this one. I don't know why, but here we go. Let's see how it does. Oh boy. Oh my God, this thing. Ugh. That one tire, it balloons like crazy. I don't know why one tire would balloon like that. See that one tire? Just pizza cutters. I'm gonna have to put a new tire on it. Get over here, buddy. There's the police. Well, so much for taking it easy at first. All right. So much for that. Kenny, get away from that road. Whoa. Oh, dude, cops are over here watching me. That's awesome. Look at them. There's one of them armor skins, guys. Y'all are gonna get. Somebody's gonna get. That was a ramp shaver, like crazy. This thing's insane, y'all. Let me get hit from back here. See, it's like, it's so stable, y'all. Oh, it's so stable and just goes. It's so nice, y'all. I'm at a loss for words how nice this thing is to me. Minimal effort. Like, I'm not even trying, y'all. Effortless. Yeah, that one tire, I gotta put some thicker fluid in the diff, clearly, in the center. But that one tire still got broken belts or something. Look at that, y'all. VITAVON beast. Oh my God, and she's fast. And she's fast. Shaved it. Let's go back here behind this thing once. Yo, let's go back here. Kenny Lee, get away from that road, please. You hear this thing, y'all, when it goes overhead? It literally sounds like an airplane. Hey, scoot over away from the road. Cause if a car comes off, I don't want it to hit you. There it is, y'all. Oh, back.
I got the skills, they making dollars. Blow.
There it is, y'all. Bounce. That was a big one, y'all. VITAVON loves it. Let's take a look at her. See how she's faring here. It's first run, y'all, first shakedown, so I'm gonna shut y'all off, I guess. Well, maybe y'all wanna see this. I don't know, I'm just checking over. Make sure my workmanship is good. Everything seems to be good. Motor's got a little heat to it, but fan's working good. My 50 millimeter, that's a 50 millimeter game changer fan, y'all. And yeah, I know that zip tie's kind of janky, but man, y'all, look how clean this thing is. Just look at this beast. Y'all, just look at this beast, y'all. Like, man, I'm telling y'all, look at this thing. Let's go, let's hit it some more. All right, she's looking good. Let me put the top back on her. All right, y'all, I got her lined up. Dang, I just rolled clear across the street. Good thing wasn't their car coming. Got her lined up, y'all. Ooh, she started to take a nosedive on me. I couldn't bring her back around. Barely. Barely brought it back around. Beast, y'all. Absolute beast, dude. This thing's impressive as hell. Oh, missed the ramp. This thing rolls good though. Let's get a hit from right here. Oh, something just went. Oh. All right, y'all, let's get another couple little hits out of her. Let's see how she does with just little hits, with a lot of throttle left. I could probably backflip it. Wonder if I should try it though. No, huh? Here, you want to see it fly, buddy? I'll hit it for you. Watch this. Kid checking it out. He thought that was cool. All right, y'all. Let's send it.
I got the skills, they making dollars.
Oh my God, that was hard. Wow. Loved it. Loved it. I think she loved it anyway. Let's see if we can hit it. Oh shit. Turtle bounced it. That was awesome, y'all, the bounce. That was awesome. Hold on, I'll get her back down there lined up again. Got some spectators here. They like seeing it. It looks like it bent my body somehow, but if that's the case, how would my chassis not be bent? Uh-oh. Beautiful. Yes! Oh. Beautiful. Yes! Yes! It's just out here tanking stuff. I'm taking hits from clear out there, y'all. I mean, I'm sending this big thing. Stay tuned, we're gonna keep sending it too. All right, y'all, I let her cool down a minute. Let's get some more licks out of her. Ooh, big hit, man. That turned the whole damn ramp sideways. This truck is amazing, y'all. I'm trying to tell you right now, this thing is a bad beast. Let's hit it right here with it. We had to floor that baby to bring it back, but she came out of it. My boy's ready to go over, y'all, so a couple more licks, I'm gonna go play with my boys football. Huge, huge, y'all. Huge. No. Oh yes, it let me use the brakes a tiny bit. I don't know how, because I got no power, y'all. Look at that. And it allowed me to hit the brakes and flip it. Beautiful. Look at this body though, man. You'd swear a chassis bent his way it's bending this body, but somehow it's not. But beautiful. Let me fix it. All right, y'all. Let my boy come over with me for a minute. Let's launch this thing a couple more times and we're out of here. Oh, oh, dang. I'm laughing at it and then it dies on me. That wasn't cool. What's wrong with you? Another plug undone? It died, buddy. My plug keeps coming undone right here. And I got another problem that I need to fix, y'all. Check this out. This is no good. Every time I hit a jump, it's lost my wires down here by the drive shaft. No good. I'll fix it. We'll be back. All right, y'all. This is my last one. My boy said I gotta make it a good one because I gotta go. So let's back her on out here in the road a little bit. Let's really hit this girl once, I guess. This is the going away hit. Beautiful. Huge hit, Keenly. All right, y'all. If you ain't doing something you love, you're doing something wrong. Peace out, y'all. Oh, yeah. It's hard to... Yeah, we're leaving now. My boy's ready to go, y'all, so that's it. Look at this thing, though. Just ready to go. She's just ready to go. Oh. All right, Kenny, quit before you break something. Come on, bud. Let's go. Oh, yes, y'all. Let's go, buddy. Let's go. Let's go. All right, y'all, that's gonna do it for this one. If you ain't doing something you love, you're doing something wrong. Peace out, y'all. Fifth scale madness. Y'all see how far this thing's going? Look at that body. It don't care, though. VITAVON, Arthur, you killed it with this one, y'all. We're leaving here. Nothing wrong with it. Y'all know the setup. I've had the same part 15 times a day. Make sure you check out Pyro Nitro, guys. That's our next giveaway sponsor, one of them. And check out arrma skins, guys. That's another giveaway sponsor right there. Some lucky SOB on my next 1,500 subscribers is going to get them a skin, and they're going to get them some covers. So far, possibly some more carbon fiber, possibly another lipo. Stay tuned. Make sure you share, like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to, that is. If not, hey, I get it. That's going to do it, though. Later, y'all. And another thing, might I add, this thing's going home in one piece, y'all. Nothing came off of it. That is a game changer 50mm low profile fan, y'all. Did not come off there. That is a, look at that. That's some more Pyro Nitro right there, y'all. Make sure you check him out. Link will be in the description. CNHL, make sure you check him out. As always, guys, you see how this thing, and that's a JX 5th scale servo. I paid 40 bucks for that, guys. I'll link that in there too. 40 bucks on eBay. I've been romping the thing for over a year, or about a year now, since last Christmas. And you see her still turning wheels. Tell him later, Bubby.
Bye.
Tell him we had a good time out here. Was that fun watching that big truck go through the air?
Yeah.
Was it getting massive jumps? How big was they? How big? Big ones. Hit that, dab me up. My dude. All right, y'all. That's what it's about right here. With the boy. Damn, you had like an 8 head, man. Look at that 8 head. Never get over how cool this is either, y'all. I'm pushing my ramp down the road with one arm, and my boy and my truck riding in my ramp. And that gives you an idea how big my ramp is. Look at that thing. It's a monster. Hi. Kenny, is the ramp fun to ride in? It's like a toy and a ramp all together, isn't it? Riding in the ramp, hillbilly ass kid. There it is, y'all. Huge.